Hello everybody, I'm Andrea Paoloni of Italian company Paoloni, and we present today a new machine made expressly to work timber flooring and make an effect Band Sawn, as you can see on that plank, for example. This machine is created to make a realistic Band Sawn effect with a very random system. We create a system made with abrasive belt. You can have a single head, double head or triple head machine. In that case, we have the machine made with 600 millimeters with capability to work also with 2 or 3 planks in once. The important to know about that machine is that it's created to make a random effect. So the system is based on the use of 3 pistons working according to the computer setting. So if you set up the machine to work with the 3 pistons in once, you will have a continuous line and stripes from side by side on the planks. On the contrary, you can choose the timing of pressure of every single piston, so the abrasive belt can work on or off and in different timing, so you can choose the pose or the acting timing. Let's give a look how it works in the specific. Now I will try to explain you better. If you have the belt made to turn in the crossing side against the sense of advance of timber, you have 3 pistons, one on the center, one on the left and one on the right. So what happens is that you can choose the timing of effect of each pistons on the left on the side to have a crossing effect of the abrasive belt working on, off or always on. If you work with both 3 pistons on, you will have a Band Sawn effect side by side. If you work with an effect random or with different timing of action of the pistons, you will have more stripes on the left or more stripes on the right or only on the center. So crossing this effect, you will have a completely random effect and every board will be different from the other one. Of course, what you can choose is also the pressure and the speed of advance of the belt, so that you can make also stripes not perfectly horizontal, but you can also tilt them. Moreover, it's very important to know that you can choose to tilt the heads, as you can see here. You can make a cross effect left, right or in 2 opposite directions, so that you can have really a completely random distressed Band Sawn effect on your flooring. Here we have some sample of how you can cross. For example, here you can see maybe we have some random effect of the first head working only on the left and on the right, and the second head is working only on the center. So this is the effect you will have on the final flooring. This, for example, is more random on the side of my right side and less continuous on the left. So what you have is a plank made with an effect that works more on one side only. And this is exactly the same, but we pressed the second piston more, so that you have also a distressed effect on the central left side part by you. Let's give a look how it works in the computer. Okay, this is our screen base, the home, okay? So first of all, you go taking decision about the speed of advance. You can push here the button and insert your speed. From 0 to 6,000, usually we can insert a middle average speed of 3,000. That is more or less 6-5 meters per minute. You push start and you can see the belt is starting running very easily. So this is the first setup. Then you can stop it and you turn back to the home to control the group. Here we have two groups of band sawing effect. Let's give a look how it works, the first of the two. First of all, of course, you take decision of how you press more or less in millimeters the height of the brush. So, if you give a look, if I go down, the brush gives more pressure. You can also insert directly here the millimeters you choose, and so you adjust directly on 15 millimeters thickness the automatic, so you can go down and it will block at 15 millimeters the thickness of your adjustment. You can see the machine stopped exactly. Of course, you can choose 1 or less millimeters less or more, but usually the error is only of 1 point of millimeter. First of all, you enable the pistons, okay? You can see that we are enabling the pistons just by the noise, but if you give a look under the machine, you will see the pistons will go down. Give a look. Lo facciamo un'altra volta. Okay. The other important thing is to take decision about the piston 1 and the piston 3, because the piston 2 is fixed on the middle, and here you insert the timing of action. Here you have an option of 0 to 999, that is too much. Choose a timing between 2 and 10 and you will have a timing of action. So if we insert here 10, for example, enter, you will see 10 here, and this is the time we action down. Here we push 5, for example, and now if we enable pistons and timing, you will feel the time the pistons will go down and up. As you can see, we have a timing of 10 that the piston goes down and 5 that is half a time to stay up. So the paper is not working. Now we go adjusting the second piston on the other side. So, for example, here now we insert 3 and here we insert 4. Okay, let's give a look what happens. Now you see that one is more rapid. This one is more slow. So we have a perfect random effect on both sides. Now we have just to start running the belt. So we adjust the speed, that could be, for example, 3000. That is half of the top, and we start. Let's give a look. Here you can see how it's working. The belt is running and it's acting only when the pistons are down. That's the secret. Okay. More fast you advance the timber, more you have to tilt the heads, because the stripes will be tilted respect the advance of wood. So to make them perfectly vertical, you have to equilibrate the speed of advance with the tilting of the head. And the third parameter is the speed of rotation of the belt. According to advanced speed, tilting of the head, and the speed of belt, you can make the stripes more tilted or perfectly vertical with the direction of timber. That's all. I hope you enjoy, and let's discover our machines. In the next future we will make something more. We will make some example of the machine at work to show you exactly the final effect of a floor installed after performing action of our Band Sawn machine. Thank you.